Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to simply check for new Google Chrome features and stay updated as a Chrome user. So let's find out. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about how best to use your Google Chrome browser. So with that being said, let's find out. Alright, so the very first thing you need to do is open up your Chrome browser. After you open up your Chrome browser, next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here, click on these three dots, and this is going to drop down. The next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to bookmarks and list. So make sure you take your mouse to bookmarks and list. Then this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to simply head over to other bookmarks right here. Then make sure your mouse is still on other bookmarks. The next thing you need to do is to simply head over to what is new. So simply click on what is new, and in a few seconds it's going to load up a new page whereby you see every new release details about Chrome browser, both on Android, iOS, and your PC. Just like what you see right here. So these are new features for mobile user, which has to do with share password on your phone. As at the time of making this video, you can scroll down and see another new feature. This is a new feature for Chrome on web. This is a new feature for Chrome on the laptop, whether you are using Windows PC or iOS. So this is a new feature. This allows you to customize your Chrome tab. Then you can scroll down and see some of another features right here. So under the performance, this is what is actually released by Google. So it's that simple. So basically, this is how to simply check for new updates and stay up to date as a Chrome browser. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Google Chrome browser, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.